Okay, so a buddy of mine lost the key to this lock and this cable that he uses for locking up his kayaks, and so he gave it to me. He wants the cable back, but he was hoping that I could get the lock off for him. You can see it's a Brinks. That's sideways. It's a Brinks lock, um, and there's nothing else, no other identifying model numbers or anything like that. So we're gonna have a crack at this and see if we can't get it open for him. I'm going to let's start with my favorite rake, a Bogata rake, and I have a feeling if you look at it, the keyway is kind of narrow and ugly. So I don't think I'm going to be able to. I don't think I'm going to be able to rake this, but we'll give it a shot. Yeah, that's barely fitting in there. Yeah. Sorry for going out of focus, folks. Yeah, that's not going to work. The Bogota is just too big. So let's try a small snake rake and see if we have any better luck with this. Somehow I don't think we're going to. But yeah. So let's try both ways. That feels like a false set. I think there's some security pins, some spool pins at the very least. Let's flip it over and have it. No, that's not working at all. So that keyway is just ugly. So one of my favorite picks for single pin picking is this Pagoda pick. It's a very shallow hook, pointy. So we'll give this one a shot first. It's generally my go-to, but we'll see how it goes. Okay. And I generally start at the back of the lock. There's pin 5. Oh. Okay, we're in something of a false set. I'm going to go back to the back of the lock again. And I think I have some. Oh, wait, there's a little counter rotation right there. And something went into place on. Okay. Yeah, definitely some counter rotation. All right. Yeah. I'm going to try a shallow hook since I don't think the Pagoda being. So this is just a shallow hook. And I'm using bottom of the keyway tension because I've never been able to figure out top of the keyway tension. So starting at the back of the lock, got a false set. Oh, some counter rotation, and I think 4 just moved in place. Nothing on 3, 2, and it's open. There we go. And a friend of mine always does a celebratory swivel when upon getting it open. So there we have it. It's a Brinks, no identifying marks. I was not able to rake it, and so yeah, in the end, it was bottom of the keyway tension with a shallow hook, and we got the open. Hey folks, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, remember to drop a like and leave a comment or a question below. If you're new here, subscribe and ring the notification bell for more content like this. Until the next video, happy picking y'all.